Simple Delicious Strawberry Tart Easy Guide. Learn how to make a simple delicious strawberry tart in this easy guide. This strawberry tart recipe is perfect for beginners, packed with fresh, juicy strawberries. Our easy strawberry tart tutorial walks you through every step, from the crust to creamy filling. Whether you are hosting a brunch or just craving something sweet, this delicious strawberry tart is the perfect dessert. Watch now to create your own simple strawberry tart at home with minimal effort. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more easy recipes like this. My name is Julian and I'm a chef since 2012. I've worked in 5-star restaurants and Michelin-starred kitchens around the world, in Netherlands, America and London. I will be happy if you join me for this recipe and if you let me share with you my culinary experience. Let's start with a sweet short pastry. We will be doing the crumble method for this recipe. In the mixing bowl, sift the flour and powdered sugar, then add the almond flour, which is optional. Then, with the paddle attachment, start working the dough while adding little by little the butter until fully added, and as seen on the screen, the mix looks like crumbs. Add vanilla paste and eggs. Once all ingredients are well combined, take it out and just work it with your hands to achieve a smooth ball. Wrap in a cling film and make sure to flatten the ball so it can cool down quicker in the fridge. Leave to cool about 2 hours. While the dough is resting in the fridge, you can make the pastry cream. We have a fully dedicated video about creme patissiere or pastry cream, so feel free to have a look and use the recipe we have provided in our channel and in the description. While still the dough is resting, we will prepare as well the so-called frangipane for the bottom of the tart. Either prepare yourself a pistachio dry paste in a mortar or buy easily from a shop. If using mortar, you need to crush the pistachios and add a little bit of water or oil to be able to achieve slightly dry paste-like consistency. Then in a bowl, add butter that has been left out at room temperature so it's soft and easy to work with. Using a spatula, just whip it a little. Then add the sugar and mix well. Add almond flour, which for cheaper version can be made at home by using any food chopper you have available. Same can be done with the pistachios we made earlier in the mortar. And lastly, add the eggs and pistachio dry paste. If using a store-bought pistachio paste, do not worry if it's a bit liquidy. It will be fine. Mix everything well together. Do this frangipane 5 minutes before rolling the dough and do not put it in the fridge as it will harden. As the dough has already chilled, it's time to roll it. Preheat the oven while rolling the dough at 170 Celsius or 340 Fahrenheit. On a floured surface with a rolling pin, roll the dough just enough so you're able to fit it in the ring you have available. With knife, remove the excess dough from the sides, which you can save in the freezer for later use. Prick the dough with a fork and add on top the prepared pistachio frangipane. Spread the frangipane mix evenly. This tart base is ready to be baked in the preheated oven for about 25 to 30 minutes. As you can see, we are looking for the tart to unstick itself while baking from the sides of the ring and the color to be nice and golden. Let it cool down for about 2 hours. Once cold, the tart is ready for decoration. It's really up to you how it will be presented. Just spread the cold pastry cream or pipe it on top. The more you have, the tastier. Either add the strawberries whole, cut with tops below, or do a spiral circle as we show in the video. For the glaze, add the gelatin in cold water, always 1 gram of gelatin in 4 milliliters of cold water, to bloom for about 5 to 10 minutes. Cut some strawberries in a jar, add strawberry jam and a little bit of water, and blend until smooth puree. Optionally, you can add some glucose, but this can be substituted for sugar to taste. Heat gently, but do not boil the strawberry mix. Melt the gelatin in a hot water or straight add it to the strawberry mix. And that's the glaze ready. Let it cool down slightly and it's ready to brush the tart. That way we can keep the strawberries fresh for longer. Place either some whole pistachios or pistachio dust over the tart and let the glaze cool down. Then the tart is ready to cut and serve. It's a beautiful tart to prepare, especially when strawberries are in season. But the great thing about this recipe is that you can easily swap the strawberries for any other fruit of your choice and make it a seasonal dessert. Another way to glaze this tart is to simply use strawberry jam, to which you add water and the melted gelatin. And it will be as tasty as the glaze shown in the video, which is a more pastry shop version, which I wanted to show you. So you can choose how to make it. It's been a pleasure for me to show you another amazing recipe from my culinary experience. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to share, like, comment and subscribe with the bell. That means a lot for every small channel and for us. And we hope to see you in another great video of ours. See you, bye!